What's up, YouTube? It's Eli, and I'm back again on another video. And as you can see by the title, you guys already know what this video is on. I'm gonna be showing you guys my fresh cut method. So I'm gonna show you guys what product I'm using and what brushes I'm using. Also, what I'm adding to my fresh cut method. Because if you guys look at one of my other fresh cut methods compared to now, I'm adding more stuff. I'm adding, you know, a crown brush, and, you know, more stuff to focus on my crown and just also my overall waves. All right, you guys, so no more talking. Let's just get straight into the video. Alright, you guys, that is the end of the video. Just to give you guys a little summary. So what I did is I went and got a haircut today. I got a 2 with the grain, and then I got a 2.5 in my crown. So what I did is when I came home, I used that soft brush you guys see me use in the beginning. I don't use this brush any other time than when I get a fresh cut. I take it with me when I go to get a haircut, and I leave the brush in the car. So when I come out, I'm brushing on my way home, and when I come home, I just brush. So this is the brush that I use to brush out all my loose hairs. If you guys have a brush that you don't use on a regular, then pick up that brush to brush out all the loose hairs, because you don't want none of those loose hairs like stuck in your hair. Then after you do that, what you do is get your favorite moisturizer, butter, or oil. What I like to use on a fresh cut is Goat Drip Butter. So I use that with a medium brush, got a nice session in, and then I use my soft brush, and then I also worked on my crown. Because I kept my crown thick, I was still able to use pomade in my crown instead of using butter or oil or moisturizer. I just use some pomade because my crown is still a little thick. And then after I do all of that, I just lay down my hair and ragged up. After a fresh cut, you just want to look at your hair and see what you need to work on. I already evaluated my hair, and I know what I need to work on. I need to work on my crown. My definition got there a little bit, but my angles is a little crooked. So I need to work on some of my angles and my crown and just my overall pattern. If you guys didn't see my haircut video, I went live. So I'll leave the link in the description to the live haircut video that I did. And also, you guys, I'm going to be making way more videos. So make sure that you subscribe, like the video, and comment, because I got a lot of more content coming on the way. I'm going to be showing you guys different methods and updating you guys every single week on my progress and what I'm doing to become elite. As always, you guys, if you like this durag or, any other durag you see me use in my videos, the link will be in the description. And I also leave my coupon code right here for a little discount. And as always, you guys, stay wavy.